What is going on, guys? Today we are at my shop in Fairmont, Minnesota, and we've got a special guest. We've got Eric and Nancy coming from May West Manufacturing. And what we're doing today is we're actually going to install poly cutting edge on the cage plow. They make a lot of poly products for the ag world, and I seen that watching Larson Farms and Minnesota Millennial Farmer. So I reached out to them, picking their brain a little bit, and they decided, hey, let's try putting one on the plow. So they will actually be here in a little bit, and we're going to install the edge on the plow, and then this winter we will see how it works and hopefully get some good footage for you guys, and hopefully you guys can run one on yours. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, so we said we had visitors coming today. So we're here with Eric and Nancy from May West, and we've got the poly edge put on. So guys, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do?
Well, this poly cutting edge is designed to protect your pavement, whether it's asphalt, cement, or pavers. It's not made of metal. It's going to be of UHMW material.
Okay.
So it's not going to scratch the surface, whereas your metal cutting edge would scratch your surface.
All right. So that should save our customers money in the end.
Save money in the long run for repairs, and it's more gentle for everybody.
Perfect. Perfect. All right, guys. So we installed the cutting edge, and you can clearly see it's a lot thicker than the factory. We had 1/2 inch steel, and now we have 1.5 inch UMHW, you said?
UHMW.
UHMW. So that's what we did today, guys. So look forward to the videos coming this winter. Here's Nancy. She's going to give us some points.
All right, so this material, this UHMW, this is one of the toughest polymers you're going to find. We make CNA Pro snowmobile skis out of this, and this is what most of the snowcross racers are running. Probably 99.9% of your snowcross racers run CNA Pro snowmobile skis. This is also used in armor plating. It's also used in stock stompers for agriculture, for farmers.
Okay.
Stomping down the corn stalks ahead of the combine tires and tracks so they don't puncture the tires.
Okay.
It's also used in liners on augers, in tube liners, a lot of agriculture applications. Skid shoes is probably one of the most common products that are manufactured out of UHMW. So very tough material. It's very slippery also. So the nice thing about it is, you know, as you're plowing snow, the snow is going to slide right off.
Okay. So your main line of stuff is for the ag world.
Yep.
And you're expanding towards this direction.
Yep, we've been making poly cutting edges here for a few years. It's become a very popular product here in the winter use. And it's also used in a lot of agriculture applications as well, pushing fertilizer, pushing manure, what have you.
Okay, so not only can you get a cutting edge for your pusher guys, you can also get one for your bucket. Custom made, send them the measurements, and they will cut one out for you, correct?
Yep, that's correct. And it's all on our website, so you can actually go on the website, order everything up, and place your order right there on maywest.com. Nice thing about this is you're going to be protecting your driveway. So if you're doing commercial plowing service, or if you're just using it on your own driveway, you're not going to be scratching up all your concrete, that expensive concrete that you just poured this summer, or your nice pavers that you just put down. This is going to do a nice job protecting them instead of having that metal scraping on them.
Sounds good. Thank you, Nancy.